Hi, my name is Whitney Kaiser. I work at FirstEnergy. We're an electric utility in Ohio, Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia, and New Jersey. We do have 200 facilities, and we did not have any sort of building maintenance system. We had some internal built systems, but we decided to go out and look for a system that could really help us optimize our buildings, how our teams use the system. So we ended up with FM System software. We use the space module, maintenance modules the most, and we have found out that we didn't have the data we needed. So our heaviest lift was getting all of that data so that we could really utilize the system to its potential. We've been up and running now for a year, but we're learning that we've barely scratched the surface. So we're really excited to see what else we can do and what's next for us in our, day 2, day 3, and all of the functionality now incorporated with Johnson Controls.